Hi guys! Today we are going to talk about French music. I am going to talk about French artists and songs that you absolutely need to know in French if you are learning French or if you would like to know more about the French culture. I picked 7 songs that you are going to love, so let's dive into the video. So in number 7 we have a rock band called Téléphone. Téléphone. And the song that I really recommend is Ça, c'est vraiment toi. Quelque chose en toi ne tourne pas rond. So here I want to say that rock music is not my favorite type of music, but I actually know the lyrics of this song. I know this song, I wouldn't say off by heart, but I really know this song because this song was extremely popular and is still really famous. So that's why I recommend this song from Téléphone. Claude François. And the song that I recommend from him is Alexandrie, Alexandra. Alexandrie, Alexandra. Je suis dans ta brise, je suis dans tes bras. Les sirènes du phare chantent encore la même mélodie. Okay, enough. So Claude François was making a lot of disco music and what we call in France la variété française. La variété française. Also with Claude François, I really recommend you to watch his video clips because he was dancing. He was a very good dancer. He was dancing and he always had amazing outfits. So please have a look at his video clips. I will put the link in the description box down below. In number 5, we have the iconic Serge Gainsbourg. Serge Gainsbourg. And oh my god, I could make an entire video just about him because he was quite a character and he was also an amazing artist and a writer. He wrote a lot of songs for so many different artists. The song that I really recommend from him is La Javanaise. La Javanaise. La Javanaise. Ne vous déplaise en dansant la javanaise. Nous aimions le temps d'une chanson. In number 4 we have the legendary Charles Aznavour. Charles Aznavour. So Charles Aznavour wasn't born in France, he was born in Armenia, but he is a monument of French music. And one of his biggest hits is La Bohème. La Bohème, La Bohème. So La Bohème, I can assure you that if I ask a French person in the street to sing the song, they will know for sure the lyrics. At least the first lyrics of the song because they are extremely famous. Je vous parle d'un temps que les moins de 20 ans ne peuvent pas connaître. Montmartre en ce temps-là. Yes, I'm just gonna stop here because I just don't want to show off my vocals. But more seriously, make sure that you listen to this song because this song is absolutely beautiful. And also make sure to look up the lyrics because it's a very beautiful song. So you want to make sure that you understand everything. And I am sure that you are going to love that song. La bohème, ça vous le dit. So now we are getting into our top 3. So in number 3 we have Jacques Brel. Jacques Brel. Jacques Brel. So with Jacques Brel, I actually recommend 2 songs. And I'm going to tell you why. So the first song that I recommend is Ne me quitte pas. Ne me quitte pas. So I recommend this song because I can't talk about Jacques Brel and not mentioning this song. And the second song that I recommend is Quand on n'a que l'amour. Quand on n'a que l'amour. And I recommend this song because I love this song. I love this song and I actually prefer this song over Ne me quitte pas because Ne me quitte pas is extremely sad. It's a sad song. Quand on n'a que l'amour, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit emotional, it's a little bit sad, but this song really speak to me personally, so that's why I wanted to share it with you. So make sure you check both songs, but my favorite is Quand on n'a que l'amour. So in number 2, we have the iconic, legendary Johnny Hallyday. Johnny Hallyday. So his name doesn't really sound French, but I can assure you he was French, and he was a monument. He is a monument. He is a monument of French music, and he has so many hits. It was hard for me to pick one song, but I had to go with this song, Allumez le feu. Allumez le feu. Johnny Hallyday has so many hits in French tube. He has so many tube that it is hard to pick only one. The song that I chose, Allumez le feu, for me is just the one that I think about when I think about Johnny Hallyday. I think about this song, so that's why I recommend Allumez le feu. Allumez le feu. So in number 1, we have the one and only Edith Piaf. I repeat, Edith Piaf. So you probably already know her or know her songs because her songs are so popular all around the world, not just in France. And if you have watched the movie A Star is Born, in the movie the first song that Lady Gaga is singing is one of Edith Piaf's songs, La Vie en Rose, and this is the song that I recommend, La Vie en Rose.
Les yeux qui peuvent baisser les miens, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche, voilà le portrait sans retouche de l'homme auquel j'appartiens. Oh, qu'il me prend dans ses bras, qu'il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. Please let me know in the comment section box down below which song are you going to listen to. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe because you don't want to miss anything. That's it for me and I see you very soon for another video. Salut!